Oh my goodness, look at this!
It's even more beautiful in real life.
Intro. Welcome to King Bike. Today, let's take a quick look at the legendary Kawasaki Ninja H2R, one of the most extreme performance motorcycles ever built. Performance. The Ninja H2R is powered by a supercharged 998 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, delivering breathtaking acceleration and incredible high-speed performance. Its advanced engineering and aerodynamic design make it a true track-focused machine. Design and technology. With its aggressive styling, premium components, and sophisticated electronics, the H2R combines futuristic design with cutting-edge motorcycle technology. Every detail is built around maximum performance. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R is more than just a motorcycle, it's a showcase of Kawasaki's engineering power. If you love superbikes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay connected with King Bike.